Good morning friends, welcome to the Vikasdip Academy. I am Sandeep Wagh presenting a lecture on Kramer's rule. Kramer's rule is a part of linear equations in two variable which is of 10th mathematics chapter. So before going to the Kramer's rule, we should know what is a determinant. So determinant is a set of numbers arranged in a systematic way, and we have to find the value of determinant. Here I am presenting on determinant with degree 2. Degree 2 means there are 2 by 2 elements, that means there are 4 elements. Now when we read this determinant, I used to prefer it reading with vertical way, not in the horizontal, because the reason is will be explained later. So the determinant A is equals to 5, 7, 3 and 9. Now we are cross multiplying these two numbers, 5 into 9 minus 7 into 3. So the product of 5 into 9 is 45 and that of 7 into 3 is 21. Therefore the values are 45 minus 21, and this gives the value of determinant as 24. Now the first problem on determinant method or Kramer's rule, we are using this determinant to find the solution for the given problem. Now 6x minus 3y is equals to minus 10 and 3x plus 5y is equals to 8. Now by Kramer's rule, determinant D is equals to, here the first coefficient of the x variable, vertically both these 6 and 3 are the coefficient of the x variable, and similarly the minus 3 and 5 is the coefficient of the y variable. So we are taking the coefficients of x and y and we are arranging in the form of determinant. So finding the value of determinant D, 6 into 5 is equals to 3 into minus 3. Here it is 6 into 5 is 6 5s are 30 minus 9, that will become a plus, and the value of the determinant will be 39. Now let's find the value of dx and dy. So how this dx and dy is calculated? So when we are finding the dx, we are changing the coefficient of x, that is instead of coefficient of x we are using the numbers or the constant terms minus 10 and 8, which are at the right side of the equal sign, and the second term is minus 3 and plus 5, which is the coefficient of y. Now minus 10 into 5 equals to minus 50, and minus 3 into 8 is equals to minus 24, that is plus 24. So the value of dx is minus 26. Now we are going to find the dy term. That dy term is the coefficient of x are as it is, but the coefficient of y are replaced with the constant terms that are minus 10 and 8. So the value of determinant is 6 8s of 48 minus 10 into 3, that is minus 30. Therefore the value of determinant dy is equals to 78. Again we have to find the solution, that means we have to find the value of x and y. For that the formula is dx upon d, that will give the value of x, and the dy upon d, that will give the value of y variable. So the values are minus 26 upon 39 is equal to, x is equals to minus 2 by 3, and 78 by 39, y is equals to 2. Hence the final solution is x comma y minus 2 by 3 comma 2, and these numbers cannot be interchanged. Now the second problem, it seems so difficult, but it is very easy to understand when we are putting some value for the repeating terms. Here 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equals to 4, and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equals to minus 2. So solution is, let 1 upon x plus y is equals to m and 1 upon x minus y equals to n. So the terms will become as 10m plus 2n equals to 4 and 15m minus 5n equals to minus 2. This seems to be similar with linear equations. Now by Cramer's rule, the determinant d is equals to 10, 15, 2, minus 5. The product of 10 into minus 5 is minus 50, and the 15 into 2 is 30. Therefore minus 50 minus 30, d is equals to minus 80. Again value of dm is 4 minus 2 and 2 minus 5. We are simply of m we are taking 4 comma minus 2, and at the n side the coefficient of n is 2 and minus 5. Therefore the product is minus 20 minus minus 4, that is equals to minus 16. Again dn is nothing but the coefficient of y are interchanged with the constant terms. Therefore it is 10, 15 and 4 minus 2, which is equals to minus 20 minus 60, that is dn is equals to minus 80. Now all the terms are d, dm and dn are negative, but when we take the ratio, that will become a positive number. Therefore m is equals to dm upon d, which is equal to minus 16 upon minus 80, which is nothing but 1 upon 5, and dn upon d is equals to n, which is nothing but the minus 80 upon minus 80, that is equal to 1. So this is not the final solution. So the 1 upon x plus y equal to m and 1 upon x minus y equal to n, and value of m is 1 upon 5, value of n is equal to 1. So reciprocals from both the side, we get x plus y equals to 5. This is the third equation, and x minus y equal to 1, it is a fourth equation. Now adding these equations 1, 3 and 4, we get 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 3. Putting in equation 3, 3 plus y equals to 5, that is y is equals to 2. So the solution for the given problem is x comma y, that is 3 comma 2. This is the final answer for the given problem. Thank you very much. If you like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.